just your part. But, if you will pardon me, there are other parts than yours, his and hers. On the stage you can have a character. What? On the stage you can have a character becoming too prominent. Yes, on the stage you can have a character overshadowing all the others. The thing is to pack them all into a neat little framework and then act what is actable. It's got to play, see? I am aware of the fact that everyone has his own interior life. That's a joke. Interior life, who's got time for that nowadays? Which he would very much like to put forward. The difficulty lies in this fact. Here we go. Where is everyone? The difficulty lies in this fact. To set out just so much as is necessary for the stage. The stage. See, that's what we're missing. That's the whole point. To present it all on a stage. Not here in this interminable rehearsal room. Taking the other characters into consideration. That's important. Listen to this. I will say it again. The difficulty lies in this fact, to set out just so much as is necessary for the stage while taking the other characters into consideration. Where on earth are they? And at the same time, hint at the unrevealed interior life. Oh, interior life, see? There it is again. Of each. I am willing to admit, my dear young lady, that from your point of view, it would be a fine idea if each character could tell the public all his troubles in a nice monologue or regular one-hour lecture. Well, we all know the rest, don't we? You must restrain yourself, my dear, and in your own interest too, because this fury of yours, this exaggerated disgust you show, may make a bad impression, blah, blah, blah. Where the bloody hell are you? What time is it? Here I am in the rehearsal room, and it's strange. I can't see the time. The hands keep... The father? Are you there? The mother? The stepdaughter? How can you ever put on a bloody show if nobody turns up for rehearsal? Pirandello? Are you there? What's the point if even the bloody author doesn't turn up? Am I in the right place? Strange. Perhaps I had a little nap and everyone went out for a smoke. I must say the convolutions of this piece are doing my head in. Who would have thought theatre could be so confusing? Just go outside and have a little look. Pirandello? Hello? Anyone?